In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Woocommerce in just about 5 minutes. Keeping your Woocommerce site updated is crucial for security, performance, and accessing the latest features. So let's dive right in and make sure your online store is up to date and secure. First things first, we're going to start by navigating to your WordPress dashboard. Accessing your dashboard is straightforward. Simply open your web browser, go to your WordPress site and append /wp-admin to your site's URL. This will take you directly to the login page where you'll enter your credentials to access the dashboard. The WordPress dashboard is essentially the control center for your website, allowing you to manage content, add plugins, customize your design, and much more. Once you're in the dashboard, your next step is to locate the installed plugins menu. You'll find this by looking to the left-hand sidebar for a menu item labeled plugins. Hover over it and you'll see a submenu where installed plugins is listed. Clicking on installed plugins will take you to a page that lists all the plugins you currently have on your WordPress site. This is where you can manage, update, or delete any plugin to keep your site running smoothly. Now, the key player in our update process today is Woocommerce, which will be among the listed plugins if you've previously installed it. Keeping Woocommerce updated is vital for maintaining a secure and efficient online store. Once you've located Woocommerce in your list of plugins, you're looking to enable auto updates. This is a specific action that will ensure Woocommerce updates automatically whenever a new version is released. To enable auto updates, you should see an option directly beneath the Woocommerce plugin listing. It might say something like Enable Auto Updates. By clicking on this, you're authorizing WordPress to automatically download and install any updates for Woocommerce. This feature is incredibly useful because it saves you the hassle of manually checking and updating your plugins, making sure your site is always running the latest version with the newest features and security patches. I want to highlight the importance of enabling auto updates, not just for Woocommerce, but for all your key plugins and themes. This step is a critical aspect of website maintenance, ensuring that every component of your site is working together seamlessly and safeguarded against vulnerabilities. However, remember that before enabling auto updates, it's wise to have regular backups of your website. While updates are intended to improve your site, they can occasionally conflict with other plugins or themes, causing issues. Having a recent backup means you can always restore your site to its previous state if something goes wrong. After clicking to enable auto updates for Woocommerce, you've essentially completed the main steps to ensuring your Woocommerce store remains up to date. However, it doesn't hurt to periodically check back on your plugins page, see if there are any manual updates required, especially for plugins that might not have auto updates enabled, or in the rare instance that an auto update fails. To sum it up, updating Woocommerce and really any plugin on your WordPress site is a straightforward process, but one that holds immense importance for the health and security of your site. By going to your WordPress dashboard, navigating to installed plugins, and enabling auto updates for Woocommerce, you're taking a significant step towards a more secure, efficient, and up-to-date online store. And there you have it, just a few simple steps and you've ensured your Woocommerce site will stay up to date with minimal effort on your part. Remember, the digital world is always changing and keeping your site updated is key to staying competitive and secure. Thank you for watching this tutorial on updating Woocommerce. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to help you manage and optimize your WordPress site effectively. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy to follow tech guides.